Hey everybody, Patty Borges here. Today I'm at 7505 Southwest 82nd Street where I have an apartment for rent on the top floor. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom with a den or office, and it has been completely renovated. I'm going to go through it with you so that you can see it. Okay everyone, so here we are. We have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom with a den on the top floor of the building, fully renovated with a brand new kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops. You also have brand new floors, recessed lighting, and a very nice open space. All the door frames and doors have been replaced. It has all new woodwork. Bathroom with a shower, a new vanity, and all new fixtures. Over to the left here, we have the den. It's about an 8x8 room with a closet. The entire apartment has been freshly painted. And over here, we have the master bedroom with 2 closets. And it is spacious enough to fit a king-size bed. All the window treatments have also been replaced. Everything is new. And lastly, over here we have the balcony with the view to the pool and the courtyard. It's very nice and open, lots of sunlight. And this is it. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 305-423-5112. Thank you.